Women are only 5% of the welders in our country, but they're becoming more common. And that's in part thanks to a local program designed to set them up for success. We took Jamise Price there tonight to meet a group of women welders ready to get their foot in the door.
It's hot and we get dirty.
But a spark has been lit for 10 women who are now just days away from earning their welding certification from Jefferson State Community College, adding them to a small minority of women welders.
When you see yourself as a woman in a male-dominated area, it shows that women are empowering in more expanded areas of the world.
And 20-year-old Alyssa Brown is seeing herself in a position she never thought she would.
I had went through a hard time and was struggling.
Not knowing what was next, she entered the program in January.
It gives women an opportunity, whereas they may not have enough money to go to college to further in what they would like to.
Research has shown that women, particularly single mothers, the greatest barriers they have to employment and to education are childcare, transportation, and then of course just the cost of education itself.
This program works to remove those barriers. Tuition, books, and a transportation stipend are paid for by the Women's Fund of Greater Birmingham.
If we can move a woman out of poverty, we help her children and generations to come.
And like any good story, there's always two sides. This one takes us inside the halls of Head Start. The St. Clair County Head Start provides instruction for the children and hosts the single moms every Wednesday.
We wouldn't be able to do it alone. We're all sticking it out.
Almost 6 months of hard work coming to an end. Many of the mothers have already gone on interviews.
We're all excited for each other when someone has an interview because we want us all to get jobs. We want us all to succeed.
In Pell City, Jamise Price, WBRC, Fox 6 News on your side.
Great job for those moms who, by the way, will get to graduate next Monday, and we wish them all the best. Well.